Welcome to Salazar Nation. My name is Frank. Alright, so it's been a while since I've done a video. I got a few videos coming up that I'm working on. I'm doing some dollar store haul videos. I already have a couple up. I still need to get a few more out. Alright, so I wanted to do this video a while ago. I ordered 2 mechanical pencils from Wish, but I've only gotten one so far. It's been a couple of months already and I haven't gotten the second one, so I'm just going to use the one that I have. So this is the pencil. I don't know if Art Tools is the brand, or it has a barcode, but Art Tools Tizo and some other language. I don't know if it's Japanese or Chinese. I'm not sure. So, but it's a 5B lead, and I want to try this out. I like the look of the pencil. So you just twist it on top. The lid comes out. Let me focus. That's as far as the lead goes. So I think that's in there pretty good. I don't know how you would replace the lead if you run out. I guess if you run out, that's it, you buy a new one. But oh well. I mean, I got it from Wish for free. I had to pay shipping. It was a couple of months ago, so I don't remember how much I paid. I think maybe a couple of bucks, $2-3. I bought some other things also, so I don't remember exactly how much this was, but that's it. I did do this drawing with it, and I had forgot to press record. So I just wanted to show you that. So we're going to draw something new. Alright, so that is it. This is my Batman sketch. The arms came out a little long. Completely sketched with the this 5B mechanical pencil, and I am liking this pencil. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please leave a like, leave a comment if you want me to do something else, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.